Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm coming back with another furniture makeover. I have this desk here that I have gotten off of my friend. She no longer wanted it, so offered it to me and I could not pass up. It has drawers. I had removed them, and then I'm gonna do a new technique that I haven't done before. It's called white liming, and I'm going to use white wax, any Sloan white wax, to achieve that. Sorry, they're vacuuming again upstairs. Every single time I come down, someone's vacuuming upstairs. So anyway, so I will be, and then the bottom I will be painting it with any Sloan Original, which used to be called any Sloan Old White. So the sanding, I will try and sand this completely. So the first step will be to sand the top. I am only sanding the top, nothing else. So I'm starting with 80 sandpaper, and then I'm going to move all the way down to 220. So it's all nicely sanded and I had dusted it off, and I'm going to apply any Sloan white wax, and I'm going to try and do it with the brush, but we'll see how it turns out. I have never done this, so bear with me. Now I'm not sure whether you can even see it on the camera. I'm going to take it off and show it to you. This will take a couple coats to achieve the look that I am going after. So let me just show you according to the instructions that I found, the wax will soak into the raw wood. And then I'll reapply another coat. So I'm gonna add another coat of the wax. So I think this is good. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now I'm going to let it completely dry, and then I'm going to wax it with clear wax just for extra protection. I really like the way the wax kind of accents the grain. Really like the way this turned out. So now that you saw the top, I will paint the bottom now with Old White, or the original, and I'm also going to paint the hardware. I'm going to remove it off the drawers and paint the hardware as well, and then I'm going to distress the hardware as well as the table. So I just wanted to show you how I did this. I did almost dry brushing, but not completely dry brushing. I just wanted it to look like weathered coastal kind of look, and I think I did achieve it. It's gonna be interesting to see how it looks when it's all put together. And then once I put it together, I will give it a little bit of a wax. I mean a little bit of sanding, and then I'm gonna wax, clear wax the whole thing for protection. So I'm going to sand some areas down a little bit, more so on the table than the actual drawers, but I will give drawers a little bit of sanding as well. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more paint to the drawers just to match up the rest of the legs. I think that looks much better. So the last step that's left is to wax it. Now I have done waxing tutorials many times, so if you want to see how I do it, I will have all my videos linked down below. All I do is I apply clear wax with the brush, then take some of it off, but then leave it for a day or two and then buff it out until it's not sticky anymore. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. It is a bit of a different look, but I do think for the right space it would look really good. I think it's a more of a coastal farmhouse look, and that is exactly what I was going for. Yeah, so I think, like I said, it would look really good in the right space. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you press that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future furniture makeovers. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.